Guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. It's very early in the morning. It's not even 6 o'clock. It's almost 6 o'clock. And I'm going to show you some of the meal items that I have for my lunches and snacks this week. And I hope this will be helpful for you to get some ideas of what you can make as well, and some of the grocery items that I buy. Before I do, just a reminder to ring the bell option so you receive all my new recipes by email. Remember that my recipes are written under each video. For more inspiration, check out my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Okay, and my website, www.risaweiner.com. So, right now I am going to be bringing a whole big thing of arugula and spring mix with different peppers, green, red, orange, yellow. I like a variety of colors, cucumber, and a piece of Vidalia onion. And the reason why I don't just make up a salad is I have enough time and I like it nice and fresh. Sometimes the veggies can get a little mushy. So that's why I do that. And we have two big fridges at work. So depending on what you can do, you can make it in advance just for a couple of days first and then make it again because, again, vegetables can get mushy. Of course, don't add your salad dressing. Bring your salad dressing. My niece just bought me these Skinny Girl dressings, and I have other ones at school. Sometimes I just use a little bit of lemon or balsamic vinegar and oil and add some roasted red pepper seasoning to my salads. Sometimes I just cut up my vegetables, my cucumbers, my peppers, whatever vegetables, broccoli, zucchini, and just dip it in my dressings. So you could even roast your vegetables, barbecue your vegetables, and add them. I do that as well. Alrighty. I like a variety of fruits. I have some nice blue plums, strawberries, golden berries, and bananas. I like to have them as a snack. Sometimes I like to throw my berries, even my plums, into my salads. Just adds for extra sweetness and bulk and deliciousness, of course. So I have salmon that I had made, some dill salmon, and my burgers. These are my new turkey burgers with spinach and rosemary, super delicious and low fat. So you'll check out my recipe for those and other recipes that I have for ideas. I also have brought some chicken meat and some turkey bites. You know, you can have and keep these as well as a snack. They're great snacks to have that are nice high protein, okay? So another option. Of course, I love some mustard, sweet with heat. You can buy this if you're in Canada at Loblaws or No Frills, President's Choice, or Walmart has a brand as well. And it just adds extra flavor. And sometimes I just add some sugar-free barbecue sauce or tzatziki. Again, when you have lots of variety of flavor, you don't get bored. And I like to put them on my mamalupas, which is a tortilla that I get. You can buy any brand that you like. This one is very low carb and low calories. One smart point, all right? I really like these, and 5 grams of protein. So you can find whatever kind. Again, these are just some options that I'm showing you what I do. And on my way home from work or during the day, sometimes I just need a little bit of another kind of a snack. So I have a variety at school of Weight Watchers. Those of you that are on WW, I have Weight Watcher snacks. And I also buy these corn snacks in the kosher aisle at Walmart. And if you're in Canada, you can get them at No Frills and Sobeys. But you can check out your local grocery stores to see if you have ones that are similar. You probably do. And these are these high protein, delicious barbecue flex chips that are super delicious. And like I said, high protein. So just as another snack option, count them out because you need to know exactly how many you're eating. All right. Don't just grab. I usually put them into little small baggies, but I just bought them. So I just wanted to show you. And that's it. So just some options again for lunch ideas and snacks with some dressings. Oh, and of course, I always have at work my pink Himalayan salt. Adds and brings out the flavor. I have pepper at work as well. So if you can keep things at work, it's a great idea. So you just have it ready, your condiments, your snacks, okay? Being prepared is key. Grocery shopping, meal plan, meal prep is vital for your health journey, all right? So I hope this helps you guys. It's now 6:05. I got to get ready and pack all this up for work. So I hope you have a great day, whatever you're doing, whenever you're watching this. So remember that you need to measure. I have lots of measuring cups. I have my scales. So that is also key. All right. You can't just eat as much as you want. Even if you're on freestyle, I always tell people that everything still has calories. All right. Check your nutritional information for your points. Make sure you have your calculator either on your phone or your calculator or like I have. And that's it. Take care. Don't forget to share my channel, like, comment, ask me questions. Love you guys. Bye for now.